In this video, you'll learn how to redirect a domain in GoDaddy. We'll go step by step through the process, and by the end, you'll have your domain pointing to a new website address without needing any technical background. First, you'll need to log into your GoDaddy account and open your domain portfolio. This is the main area where all the domains you own are listed. If you have multiple domains, take a moment to locate the one you want to redirect. It can help to use the search or filters if you have a long list. Once you see the domain you want to work with, click directly on the domain name itself. That will open the domain settings page for that specific domain. Think of this page as the control center for everything related to that domain: DNS, forwarding, contact information, and more. For now, we're focusing only on settings related to forwarding. Next, at the top of the domain settings page, look for the DNS tab. Go ahead and select that. And this takes you into the DNS area, which is where your domain's routing and connection details are managed. Within the DNS section, you'll see a submenu. From that submenu, choose the option labeled forwarding. This is where you control where your domain sends visitors when they type it into their browser. Now it's time to add your destination. You should see an option that says add forwarding. Click that to open the forwarding setup window or panel. This is where you'll define exactly where your domain should redirect. In the destination URL section, first choose whether you want to use HTTP or HTTPS. In most modern setups, if the target website supports it, you'll choose HTTPS because it's secure and preferred by browsers and search engines. After that, enter the full web address you want people to be sent to. For example, this might be the main URL of your new website or landing page. Double check the spelling here because any small typo can send your visitors to the wrong place or to an error page. Below that, you'll choose the forwarding type. You'll see two main options: permanent or 301 and temporary or 302. If this is a long-term or final move to a new site, permanent or 301 is usually the best choice. It tells search engines like Google that your site has moved for good, which helps preserve your rankings and search traffic over time. If you're only planning to redirect for a short period, maybe for a campaign or while you rebuild a site, choose temporary or 302. That lets search engines know the change is not permanent. After you've selected the appropriate type and confirmed your destination URL, look for the option to save. Click Save to apply your settings. It can take a little time for the changes to fully update across the internet, so don't worry if the redirect doesn't work instantly. Give it a few minutes, then test your domain in a browser to confirm it's pointing to the correct site.